Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create an AI generated video that you can later on use for your Facebook ads. So nowadays people have been using AI more often than we actually notice because it gets even more realistic as the days goes by. And today I am going to show you how to create a free AI generated UGC content that you can use for your ads. Now there are obviously many other websites or many other applications that will be able to create an AI that looks better than the one that I'm going to show you in this video, but most of the time those tools need you to pay for it. For example, these ad create one. As you can see, these are the video samples that they have, and it looks really realistic, even though all of them are created with the help of AI. But the downside of this app or of this platform is that you'll have to pay for the plan, and I'm going to show you the pricing as well as the qualification that you will be needing in order to work with AdCrate. So here for the pricing, they say that the pricing varies based on individual client requirements, and in order to get tailored offer for your business, you will inquire using the form below, which I have already filled, but it's going to take around 48 hours. And you also will need to meet their qualification, which is you will have to have a minimum qualifications AdSense of $100K a month. And if you do not meet this criteria, you will have to discuss with persons from AdCreate, and then they will try to find alternative for you. And obviously this one's a little bit much of a hassle, so if you want to try the free one instead, it's going to take more steps, but I'm going to show you how. So first, what you're going to do is we're going to want to create our AI face. And today I'm going to use Shaka here. You can totally use other app like Midjourney. Again, those ones are paid, or you can use other AI image generator if you want. But today I'm just going to use Shaka, and if you want, you can also go to shaka.ai and then create your profile. And here on Shaka, you're going to want to click on this AI generator button and then go ahead and create your image through there. So I'm going to start by adding the prompt right here, and for the style I'm going to try to find things that looks realistic, like this one's right here. So I'm going to use this as the style, and then I'm going to use realistic female with blue eyes and black hair. Alright, now once that's done, I'm going to try and generate it and see what we got. So this is how the image ended up looks like, and I still think it's not realistic enough, but I'm still going to download this for now, and then I'm going to try to create another one by changing the style. So here on the search bar I have typed in realistic, and here are the style that they gave me, and this one's right here looks pretty good, so I'm going to try and use this one instead. And then I'm going to click on remix and see how it looks like. Alright, so here are the pictures, and I still feel like it's not realistic enough. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to reset the setting and try only using the realistic style option. Alright, so by far this is the one that is the most realistic to me, so I'm going to go ahead and download this, and then I'm going to go to vidnos.ai, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix the face from the AI generated image into a video that I have created. So I'm going to go ahead and click create free AI video, and don't forget to create an account first. And once you've signed in, you're going to want to go to their AI tools and then use their AI face swapper. So I have already recorded my video beforehand, and I'm going to face swap the picture from the AI generated image into my video. So first you're going to want to click on this video face swap, and then you're going to upload your video, and then you're going to upload the photo of the face that you want to swap. And for my case, it's going to be this one's right here. And once you're done uploading the pictures and the video, you're going to want to click on swap face now. And it's going to take a few minutes, so I'm going to come back once the video has face swapped. Alright, so this is how the video looks like. So I've been trying for this product for quite a long time now, and I feel like this is a very good one, and whatever I'm saying doesn't really matter because this one is just a sample video. Obviously this is not perfect, and in order to make it better, you're going to want to record your video in better lighting and maybe better quality camera. But once you get the hang of it, you'll be able to create an AI video that looks pretty good. So I'm going to work with this for now, and I'm going to go ahead and download this video. Alright, now that it's downloaded, I'm going to go to the next tools, which is 11 Labs, the tools that will help you to create a new voice. So when creating an AI video, I would like to go all out, not just my face, but I also want to alter the audio. And we can do that by going to 11labs.io. Here on 11labs.io, you can create a new speech with another new audio. So I have added my speech here, I've added my text, and then I've also chosen my audio. And then once you're done with that, all you have to do is click on generate speech and then listen to the voice that you've made.
I have been using this product for a month, and I must say that this is one of the best products I've ever tried.
Alright, I think that is good enough, so I'm going to go ahead and download this audio. And you can also take a look at their advanced features if you want to edit some more, but I'm good with the one that I have. And then we're going to go to the next tool, which is Sieve. So in this Sieve, we're going to be able to combine the video that we have created with the AI generated voice. So it's going to help the mouth syncing and everything. So go ahead and sign up to Sieve. And here you're going to want to click on this Sieve video retalking options. And we're going to want to upload the video, the AI video that we've created, as well as the audio that we have created. So I'm going to go ahead and upload the video and the audio, and then go ahead and click on submit. And now we wait until the video is ready. Again, these steps that I've told you are totally free, and that's why the outcome might not be as perfect as if you were using the paid versions of some other apps. But these are totally one of the ways that are going to help you to create some ads without having to constantly trying to find some models and then trying to reshoot video over and over again. If you would like to try out new ways to create an ads or some UGC content, you can totally use all of these steps that I've already shown you in this video. Alright, so the video is done, and I'm going to show you how it looks like now.
I have been using this product for a month, and I must say that this is one of the best products I've ever tried.
Look at that lip sync. It looks so flawless, and the only thing that giving it away is probably because the background video, the original background video that I've created, have a resolution that is too low, so it's giving up a very bad background. But again, if you're using a good camera, a good lighting, you will be able to create better video. But that's basically it. That is how you can create UGC AI generated video all for free, and you can use it for your Facebook ads or any other ads that you will want to create. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.